What is up, guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be way different. It's not a tutorial. It's not a chit chat, get ready with me. This is going to be different and it means a lot to me. And for me, it's very important for those of you who are new here or those of you who are watching every week supporting me. It's very important to me that you guys know my purpose here on YouTube. This is going to be my purpose for YouTube and why I'm here and what I'm doing. So if you guys see me looking down, I just kind of have a page with notes of everything I want to go over to make sure that I don't miss any of the important things. Basically, my reason here and my goal for my channel is to be able to help you guys, the viewers, feel beautiful and confident by enhancing yourself through makeup, with makeup, enhancing your natural beauty. That's why I'm here. That's why I do my makeup every day. I want this to be something that, you know, you're not intimidated by makeup anymore. I know a lot of people can be because there's 1,200 steps and 1,000 different ways you could do things, and you know, there's so much that goes into it, but I want to break it down and make it more simple for you guys. I want to teach you guys things. I am by no means a professional. I learned what I do from people on YouTube, so that is why I'm here. That's why I started my channel, to be a positive light, just like I've seen, and to be able to teach you guys things and for you guys to take away things from my video. So you can go to your vanity, go in your bathroom and do your thing and feel beautiful when you're done. And we are not transforming our face to look like someone we're not. We're enhancing our natural beauty. So that is so important to me. I want everyone to be able to connect to my channel. Whether you're young and you just got into makeup, you're in high school and you're just playing with makeup now, and I can teach you some tricks. That's awesome. You're farther along in your life and you just want some new tricks to really have a pick-me-up and get yourself ready for the day. So whether you be a mom and you can relate to me that way, you're young, you can relate to me that way, you just know me, you just like what I'm doing, I'd love to have you guys here, and this is something that I want new viewers to be able to, you know, circle back to and watch this video and say, you know, why should I even watch this girl? Why should I take tips from this girl? The beauty community has been just circling around drama. I've noticed that ever since I've watched YouTube videos. It's been very drama-y lately. And I don't want that to be what this place is for, because that's not what this place is for. I want you to come to my channel, and I want this to be a positive light, a positive place, because that's what I get out of it. And that's what I want you guys to get out of it. So I want you to come here and be inspired to do your makeup, be inspired to get ready for the day, be inspired to feel beautiful. I have been influenced by some awesome YouTubers. The main ones are Casey Holmes, Kelly Strack, Laura Lee, Manny MUA, Raw Beauty Christie, new to her channel, but she's phenomenal. Like, I want to be those people that I get very positive vibes from and make me excited to try new makeup, try new tricks, and I want to be able to give that to you guys. So if you're new here, please comment down below. Let me know you're new. If you're a returning viewer, thank you. I'm so happy to have you guys here. I just want to also say that this week in particular, I've had a few messages from mostly family, but people reaching out letting me know that my hair tutorial actually really did help them when they've been trying to do these things for a while and it hasn't worked for them, and my tips worked. I've had, you know, my aunt texting me letting me know that she hadn't gotten ready with a full face of makeup in 6 months, and I inspired her to do that, and that makes my day. I go and I tell Nick, look at this awesome message. So you guys, I see what you're saying. Thank you so much. I love getting those messages. Keep them coming. Another thing that I wanted to touch on was I want this to be like, I want my channel to be a place where you feel comfortable. You need a recommendation on a new product. You want to know what I thought about this, or you know, what I think would work best. Go ahead and DM me. I will answer you and I will give you the best help that I can. And that's, you know, I just want everyone to know that this is an open page. We're here to have a great time, to feel beautiful, to feel confident. And that's all I really want for this channel. 70-something subscribers might not be a lot to you, but it is to me. Wow, I sound like Luke Combs. It might not mean much to you, but it does to me. It means a lot to me. You know, I don't know 70-something people like personally every day that I talk to. So to know that it's more than just, you know, family, which thank you, family, for supporting me. You guys are my #1. Thank you. but it's cool to see that there's other people that are interested as well. This is just so awesome, having so much fun. Thank you to everyone who reaches out, that likes my videos, that comments, subscribes, shares, all those things. Yeah, so in a nutshell, I want this to be a place where everyone feels comfortable. You know, everyone can either, if you already know a lot about makeup, you can just be inspired to do something maybe different or whatever that may be to actually get fully ready today. Or if you're someone new to makeup and I can teach you a new trick or a new way to do your hair, that's what I want to be here for. And I want to be an open book. I want you to feel comfortable coming to me and asking me questions. And this is my hobby. This is what I love to do. I love to share it with anyone that wants to listen and watch. So thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for watching and supporting and enjoying my videos with me. If you ever have a video you want to see, leave it in the comments and I will try to do that for you in the best way that I can. And yeah, so if you're new here, comment, subscribe, like, and thank you guys so much for watching and supporting. This is so much fun to me. Yeah, thank you guys. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.